I wanted to mention this as a disclaimer that this is a video of my experience with the vaccine, and I'm not trying to promote or ask anyone not to take the vaccine or to take the vaccine. This is just purely my experience with the vaccine and how my body reacted to the vaccine. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anirudh and hope all of you are doing great. So today I got my vaccination, the first dose. I got it from Fortis and it was Covaxin. They charged me about $1,450 as they were providing the service in my apartment, and I wanted to share the experience. I'll be making this video into two parts. That's the day when I got the vaccine and the next day. So I got the vaccine at around 10:45 in the morning, and till about 1:30 I didn't feel any kind of pain right after the vaccine on my hand. They put the vaccine on my left hand right here, and after the vaccine I came back home. I was around 15 kilometers away from my house. It was in my apartment. So after getting the vaccine I came back home, had some food, and I was just watching a few YouTube videos, and then I dozed off. So after I woke up, that was at around 2:15, 2:20, I could feel that my hand was paining. The place where they had pricked for putting the vaccine, that started paining, and I couldn't lift my hand. Like even now, anything above this, it starts paining. So that's the first thing, and it's around I think 7:30 now, and I don't see any other thing. I just feel a little weak and a little tired, but no headache or no sore throat or no fever kind of symptoms right now. So I'll be making records. I've written down in a small book or a small piece of paper every 2 hours any symptoms changing or whatever I feel. I've just written it down. So from morning 10:45 till 6:30, 7:30, all that I could feel was just the pain here, and the body started feeling a little weak. I felt a little weak and I started drinking a lot of water. But other than this, I don't see any other symptom of having corona yet. But I'll continue vlogging later after I have my dinner. Just before I sleep, I'll make some notes and just tell you what I feel next. And I'll also continue vlogging tomorrow the whole day. That's once in the morning and once in the evening, to just tell you all how the vaccination felt. But when they were putting the vaccine, it felt like nothing. The people who were giving injections of the vaccine to everyone, they were pretty talented, I guess, that it didn't even feel like they gave me the vaccine and they told me it was done. So I'll see y'all later in the night. Just before I sleep, I'll see if I find any other symptoms. If not, I'll see y'all tomorrow in the morning. So it's around 10:20 now. I'm not sure if you saw the time properly. So it's 10:20 now and my parents were heading to sleep. So just like a typical Indian house, I got some milk to drink before I get to bed, and parents are off. And because I slept in the afternoon for about an hour or an hour and a half, I'm not sleepy now. It looks like I'm more pumped up right now, but I still can feel the pain here. It's almost 12 hours of being vaccinated. Except for the pain here, I don't see any other symptoms. I felt a little weak in the evening, but now I'm doing fine with that as well. I kept myself very hydrated since the evening. I drank a lot of water and it went good for me. I don't see any other symptoms, no fever, no cough, no headache, and this is very specific to my body. This is my personal experience of taking the vaccine. It will not be the same for everyone. Everybody reacts differently. It's just that it didn't affect me yet, but my friends who got the vaccine told me that it's the second day morning when it starts paining and you start having a heavy head. So that's it for the night. I'll continue vlogging in the morning and tell you all how it is the next day. So this is the second day in the morning. It's around 9:15, 9:20. I woke up an hour back and I just had to do my daily chores. As soon as I woke up, the only thing I felt that was my hand was paining a little more than yesterday, and that I had a little raise in body temperature, but I didn't have a lot of headache or fever as such. It was just that I could feel that my body temperature was a little higher, and I'm also sweating a little more today. And thing was, I had a very 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 slight heavy head, but that was fine. I also felt a little weak after waking up. Felt that I can't do much today, so I'm just going to take rest. But the only thing that has drastically increased from yesterday was that my arm is paining more today, but it's not to that extent, it's still to a manageable extent. That's it for now. I don't think I feel anything more. I'll just go continue making an every 2 hour update and get back to you in the evening or the afternoon. The time is around 6:30 in the evening. This is the second day, as in I got the vaccine yesterday, and boy, today was horrible. In the afternoon around 12:30, I started feeling very 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 weak and had like body ache, and it was horrible till 2 o'clock, after which I just slept off and woke up around 4:30, 4:45, and it was much better after that. But it was horrible. I had a lot of body ache and like my back was paining. And now it's all fine. I feel normal again, so I think I'll be ending the video here. Also follow me on Instagram. The ID will be appearing somewhere here now. I give live updates there of where I travel, and I got the vaccine 2 days back, so I give a live update as that as well. All live updates on Instagram. This is my handle. So that's it for this video. This was my experience after taking the vaccine, and if you guys have already taken your vaccine, comment down below of how your experience was after taking the vaccine. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and like, share and subscribe. That's it for this video, guys. Peace out, stay safe. Also, I had to give this update. I hadn't edited the video or rendered it yet, so CBSE class 12th exam finally got cancelled. So if any class 12 students are watching this, comment down below how you feel about the exams being cancelled. Peace out. See you in the next video.